Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to transfer money from your PayPal account to your FNB card, and I've got you covered with the latest steps for 2025. This process is super straightforward and can save you time, especially if you're managing international payments or freelance earnings. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and an FNB card linked to it. If not, you'll need to add your bank details in PayPal's settings. It's quick and secure. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your PayPal app or log in to the website on your computer. Look for the Wallet or Balance section at the top. This is where you'll see your available funds. Step 2. Once you're in your wallet, find the option that says Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. Click on that. It might be under a menu like Money or Bank. Step 3. Select your FNB card as the destination. In 2025, PayPal has made this easier with updated integrations, so if your card is linked, it should show up right away. Double-check that it's the correct FNB account to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any fees. PayPal might charge a small one, and FNB could have processing times of 1 to 3 business days. Hit Confirm, and follow any verification steps, like a 2-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Step 5. Once confirmed, track the transfer in your PayPal activity log and check your FNB app for updates. That's it, you're done. Remember, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and monitoring your accounts. If you run into issues, PayPal's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.